Shares of Autumn Investment and Infrastructure Ltd have delivered stellar returns in the last 3 years. The multibagger NBFC stock, which ended at 10 rupees and 7 paise on 28 September 2020, rose to a high of 482 rupees and 60 paise on the BSE today, 29 September 2023, delivering 4,692% returns during the period. An amount of 1 lakh rupees invested in the shares of Autumn Investment 3 years ago would have turned into 47.92 lakh rupees today. In comparison, the benchmark Sensex managed to rise has risen 74.03% during the period. In the current session, the multibagger stock was stuck in the upper circuit of 20% at 468 rupees and 5 paise on BSE after a media report said at least 52 lakh shares, or 3.1% of the equity, changed hands in the pre-market trade today. However, buyers and sellers in the deal were not immediately known. Autumn Investment stock opened higher at 439 rupees on Friday against the previous close of 402 rupees and 20 paise on BSE. Autumn Investment shares have a beta of 1.7, indicating very high volatility in a year. However, the stock is still trading 16.79% lower to the 52-week high of 580 rupees hit on 8 August 2023. The stock fell to a 52-week low of 154 rupees and 50 paise on 23 February 2023 this year. Total 70 to 92 shares of the firm changed hands, amounting to a turnover of 34.07 lakh rupees on BSE. Market cap of the firm stood at 7,949.60 crore rupees on BSE. The NBFC stock has risen 106% in 1 year and gained 118.52% since the beginning of this year. The share has climbed 177.28% in 6 months. Two promoters held 71.47% stake in the firm and 61.35 public shareholders own 28.53% for the quarter ended June 2023. Of these, 5,965 public shareholders held 27.25 lakh shares or 1.60% stake with capital up to 2 lakh rupees. Only 6 shareholders with 4.96% stake held capital above 2 lakh rupees for the quarter ended June 2023. In terms of technicals, the relative strength index, RSI, of the Autumn Investment stock stands at 33. Signaling it's trading neither in the overbought nor in the oversold zone. Autumn Investment shares are trading higher than the 5-day, 10-day, 20-day, 50-day, 100-day and 200-day moving averages. Financial performance. The NBFC's revenue fell in Q1 to 62.5 crore rupees against 89.7 crore rupees revenue in the corresponding quarter of previous fiscal. Profit slipped to 32.26 crore rupees in the June 2023 quarter against 54.4 crore rupees in the June 2022 quarter. Operating profit declined to 57.5 crore rupees for the quarter ended June 2023 against 75.4 crore rupees in the corresponding quarter of the previous fiscal. About the company. Autumn Investment is a registered NBFC carrying on the business of investment in shares and securities and also financing activities. Disclaimer: Business Today provides stock market news for informational purposes only and should not be construed as investment advice. Readers are encouraged to consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions.